Here's Leslie Gore. It's my party. I'll cry if I want to. It's here in the studio, 1430. Stacey Canfield, Little White Lies. Billy Williams, he's going to sit right down and write himself a letter. It's 14 minutes before 11 o'clock. Thank you for hanging out with us.